there was no street lighting. I have managed with great difficulty and with support of elected MLAs, MPs and all, I have managed to get this. Right now I am doing the dry run, means with the diesel generator which is on. Okay, there are 20 plus 20, total of 40 poles with 2 arms, 100 watt each, and 9,100 lumens. And you see the diesel generator in the background. We are doing the dry run testing. Subsequently, I am doing the dry run of the direct this thing from generator load. We getting the connection. There is some DP and some this thing from the electricity department. We will be getting the connection, and I will be taking the permission from election commission also. I have to look into that aspect, and during that time we will be this thing. Today is a dry run testing of the generator for 1 day. It will be on from 6 to 12 on timer basis. Permanent lighting in another 1 week to 2 weeks time. Subsequent, I mean, there are slight holidays. This Friday, tomorrow is a holiday after that. So we will get it. So everybody has to be happy that, I mean, I have managed to get this lighting.